What's happening, good people? I go by the name Phoenix Flame for God Level Beats. I'm a music producer, and today I'm back with a new tutorial. So today we're gonna be covering Kelvin Momo. So let's not waste time. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, share with your friends. So this is what I have so far. Yes, that's what I have. So let's get straight to the breakdown. Started off with these keys. Two types of roads: a Wutalizer and a vintage roads. So they sound like this. In order to get this type of jazzy chords, you need to play ninth chords, so or seventh, whether it's minor or major, it's fine. You just need to play the ninth chords. Then from there, I had this piano solo. So it's just a matter of playing the notes on your scale. Then you can play a piano solo. Then from there, it's the log drum. I used the log drum from another YouTuber. Forgot his name. Um, a lot of people are telling me about them. So anyway, this is the name of the patch is Harvard. So this is what I used. Then I layered it with my own log drum, the PF log drum. All right. Then it was the drums. The drums that I used here, the drums that I used, they're from Decap. Drums that knock volume 9. Then it's my shakers. You already know drums by Kashmir. Then the percussive house from Drums That Knock. Then is the tremolo signal. Then after that is the main log drum. about it. That's the whole beat. So yeah, like I said at the beginning of this video, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, leave a like, share it with your friends. And feel free to contact me if you need help. I always leave my phone numbers on the description. You can check them there. Um, yeah, then I can assist you with whatever that you need. I go by the name Phoenix Flame for God Level Beats, your beat maker of the year. And I'm signing out. So let's play the song one more time.